Did you know that Amazon has a secret program that'll pay you between $3,000 and $5,000 every single month just for doing product reviews? Now, you've probably seen copy like this on certain posts on social media, just like this one. And not just this post I've seen copied hundreds of times all over short form video like TikTok and Reels and Instagram. But I haven't seen anyone who actually explains how to do this until now. This video is going to show you exactly how to make $3,000 to $5,000 every single month with this mythical product review side hustle, so stick around. Hey, if you've never seen me before, my name is Dom, and I make approximately $6,000 every single month from this product review side hustle. And I make that money despite spending less than 2 hours a day actively working it. And not only that, I've taught over 1,000 people how to get results with this exact same side hustle. And I gotta be honest, when I first learned about this product review side hustle, I thought it was too good to be true, so I tried it myself to find out for sure. Now, for the past year and a half, I've been going through my house and picking up literally everything that I can find and doing a 1 to 2 minute product review on it. And this isn't just products like my cameras and my microphones and my computers and all the tech that I have. I'm even doing things like rolls of tape and toilet paper. In about 2 minutes, I'm able to use my phone and shoot a quick review talking about my experience with the product, talk a little bit about the build quality, show people how to set it up if it requires setup, and do a short demonstration. And then at the end of the video, I can make a quick recommendation whether or not they should buy that product. If I have to edit a video, I'll use a free app called CapCut, which allows me to edit my videos in about 2 to 3 minutes, but most of them are really done in one take. And if you have experience making TikToks, it's actually harder to make a TikTok than it is to make one of these product reviews. And to show you just how easy it is, let's hop into my phone and I'll show you how I do one of these reviews using CapCut. Okay, just to show you how easy this is here to do this in CapCut and make a video, we're gonna open up our phone here. We're gonna open up the CapCut app. Once you get over to here, into the CapCut screen, what I've done here is I've actually used my phone's camera app. I've recorded some clips of some product reviews. I'm gonna take one that I did in multiple parts. For instance, this is a bunk bed I put together for my daughter. Oh, I'm sorry, we're not gonna do just the bunk bed, we're gonna do the mattress here. And that is what this one is here. So we're gonna add those two there, those two clips. Is that the whole thing? Oh, so these are backwards. So what we're gonna do here, so I've got the clip here when I was unboxing it and the clip of actually putting it together. We're gonna basically press and hold my thumb, rearrange the clips. So now I've got front end here. And then I think we can go back. I think there was another one I made. Oh, let's go back to here. Let's go add a clip. I want to go back and there was... Yes, here was the clip of when I was testing it out. So now I've got the unboxing. We've got the unrolling. And then we've got the actual after it's been done. So this is a product review here that was 4 minutes and 42 seconds long. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to sit through and watch it. I'm not going to subject that to you over here on YouTube. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sit back, watch it, cut out any mistakes. And let's say that I wanted to cut out a mistake here on CapCut. What I would do, I would tap to select the clip. I would hit the split button over to here, kind of watch it back again. You know, use your thumb to kind of scroll left and right, and then basically hit the split again. And then I would select that, and then delete the split, and I would cut out my mistakes. So that's essentially how I would edit these to be one video that doesn't have any of my mistakes, any of my mess ups in it. And it would stitch together all of my parts. Once that's done, I'm happy with the video. I would hit this little arrow button up top, and it's gonna export that video, so that way I can now upload that up to Amazon. But by now you're probably asking yourself, how do I make money with this? And the answer is simple. Because I qualify, and we'll talk about qualification later in the video, but because I qualify for the Amazon Influencer Program, Amazon allows me to post my reviews on toilet paper right next to the buy button on their website. You've probably seen them yourself over here. Here's how it works. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna hop on over to Google and we're gonna type in Amazon Influencer Program, and it should pop up right at the top of the search results. Once you click into the screen, make sure that the sign up button is blue and not yellow. If it's yellow, you're signing up for Amazon Associates. You gotta make sure that it's blue for influencers. After completing a simple application, if you qualify, they're gonna give you an Amazon storefront. And then once you have your storefront, it's your job now to take and fill that storefront full of product review videos. And as you can see here, as we scroll down the screen, I have hundreds of product reviews. Again, I've been doing this for the past year and a half. And now what happens is every time Amazon gets a customer that's interested in a product, Amazon's gonna take a video from my storefront and show it to them before they buy. The more videos I have on my storefront, the more Amazon has to show people. Now you may have noticed in the past year or two, ever since TikTok blew up in the middle of the pandemic, that people are doing more and more selling on social media, and brands are turning more to average creators and average influencers to sell their products for them. That's because people buy from people, and people buy from people they follow online as well. If a brand can get a product into the hands of an influencer and give an average person's review, that, we'll call it an ad, that ad actually will convert better than a highly produced ad like you would do for a Super Bowl commercial. This is why it seems that more and more average people are able to get brand deals to promote products online. However, Amazon noticed this, and in true Amazon fashion, they wanted 100% complete control of the process. So what they started to do is they started coming to content creators and saying, hey, why don't you do your product reviews directly on our site, and we'll pay you a commission when somebody watches the video and then buys the product. This way, Amazon can use their massive ad buying of about $20 billion a year to put people on Amazon where they're gonna watch the content and then buy the product. And this is where Qualification comes in, because Amazon, because they're spending $20 billion a year to put people on their website, they don't want just anybody posting content on their website to their customers. After all, Amazon's a very customer-focused company. So in order to be considered to have your content put on Amazon's website, what you need to do is you need to demonstrate that you can create social media content that is all engaging, valuable, tells a story, and isn't too extreme in your views. If you can demonstrate that you can do all this, you're in. Follower count does not matter. Once you're in, you're given an Amazon storefront. You may have seen one, they look kind of like this, but you're not done. What you have to do is you now have to demonstrate to Amazon that you can actually create product reviews, not just social media content. So what they want you to do is they want you to create 3 reviews on 3 products, put them up on your store, and what that does is that's going to trigger Amazon to come in, take a look at your reviews, and see if they qualify to be placed directly on the buy pages. Once somebody from Amazon goes in, they recheck your social, and they actually go in and they check your 3 product reviews. They'll make a determination whether or not, hey, yeah, we want to put your stuff right next to the buy button, or this isn't quite up to par. If they decide that your content is up to snuff, you're going to see something like this, and that means you've got the green light. You're going to start earning commissions almost every day. At this point, it's all about going around your house and reviewing literally everything. And then once you get through everything in your house, what you want to do is you want to go on Amazon and find products that have a lot of sales volume and that don't have any reviews or only a couple of reviews or even bad reviews that you know you can make a better one and knock them out of that spot. And I'll let you know, if you can get out of the tech and the women's fashion spaces, Amazon's pretty much untapped at the time I'm shooting this video. It's crazy how open everything is. And after following that process, I was able to have my first $5,000 month on my 3rd month, and I haven't dipped below that since. In fact, I've been sharing this with other people, and I've helped over 100 people achieve the same result that I got. And if you want to see how I've helped those 100 people achieve that same result, I put a link in the description here, which will show you how to work with me more closely, including having me look at your social media content, show you how to make better content if you keep getting denied, and then also walk you through the approval process so you too can take advantage of this incredible product review side hustle. And that does it for today's video. If you liked what you saw, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn the bell on so you don't miss a video. I'm gonna do a couple more videos like this one showing you how to get the most out of making money online with the Amazon Influencer Program. And again, if you wanna work with me more closely, there is a link down below. And in the video in one of these 2 corners, I go more in depth on what it takes to get approved. I'll see you in another video.